Every picture tells a story, calling you to explore it. World with you, through the lens of Ravindra Kumar Gupta, RKG. Stunning panoramic view of ocean with spectacular sunset and small boat in Funchal, Portugal. Panoramic view of Madeira, Funchal, Portugal, harbour in evening with glazing lights. Beautiful girl in fancy dress smiling and pleasing the public in Funchal Carnival. For entire period of annual carnival, 13 days, the Funchal city is decorated with festive colors and lights. Gorgeous glamorous girls in colorful costumes with floats dancing and entertaining the crowd in Funchal, Portugal, Carnival Parade. To cute girls enjoying the music and contagious enjoyment atmosphere in Funchal Carnival. A rare combination of cactus plant having spines or thorns with ocean and mountain in backdrop in Funchal, Portugal. Stunning view of Funchal, the city with more than 500 years of history. Founded in 1510, the capital of the island offers a very charming and historical context, lying within a powerful landscape between the sea and the majestic mountains. Beautiful blue combination of blue boat, blue ocean and blue sky in Funchal, Portugal. Funchal is the charming, capital city on the island of Madeira, Portugal. The majority of the population of this volcanic island live in sprawling Funchal, which stretches from the Atlantic shoreline into the steep hills behind the city. Ravishing colors of ocean, cloud and sky in Funchal, Portugal. Funchal city in Portugal itself is nestled in a great natural amphitheatre, facing the blue Atlantic with a backdrop of dramatic mountains. Located in the stunning south of Madeira, on its sunniest coast amidst banana plantations and wonderful gardens where flowers bloom all year round in the shelter of the verdant mountains. The Museu CR7 is a museum that is dedicated to great football star Cristiano Ronaldo. It is located in Funchal, Madeira as he was born there. In front of the museum, there is a beautiful big bronze statue of Cristiano Ronaldo, made by the Brazilian-born Madeiran sculptor Ricardo Velosa. Monument to the Great War Dead in Lisbon, Portugal is an impressive monument to the Portuguese soldiers who died during the First World War. Amazing view of Lisbon, which is the stunning capital city of Portugal and is one of the most charismatic and vibrant cities of Europe. It is a city that effortlessly blends traditional heritage with striking modernism and progressive thinking. Panoramic view of Lisbon city. It is continental Europe's westernmost capital city and the only one along the Atlantic coast. Lisbon offers a rich and varied history, a buzzing nightlife and is blessed with a glorious year-round climate. Panoramic view of Funchal on Madeira Island, which is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean in Portugal. Stunning sunset at Madeira, Funchal, Portugal, with scenic view of sea and clouds. A flock of seagulls playing and enjoying in a stream in Lisbon, Portugal.